a fun fact. If an adult tooth gets knocked out and the root is still in your mouth, you can put the tooth in some milk until you see your dentist and let him reattach it. Because milk is high in calcium, the high calcium will help preserve the tooth. Today, we are learning about calcium and what happens when acid is mixed in. This egg cell is made out of calcium carbonate. Do you know what calcium is and why it's important? Well, I'll tell you. Calcium is a nutrient and it helps us build strong bones and make our teeth strong so we can chew hard things. Without calcium, our bones will get weak and we wouldn't be able to stand. But the vinegar is a mixture of very dilute acetic acid. And we have acid in lots of different things, like we have acid in soda, coffee, and even orange juice has acid. So when mixed together, it sets off a chemical reaction, which I'm hoping will dissolve this egg cell. So let's get started and see if my hypothesis was correct. Will the egg cell dissolve? And I will be using these liquids: soda, Coke, and Sprite, vinegar, water, salt water, and corn syrup. And of course, I will be using eggs and cups. Now let's pour in the liquids and see what happens. First, I'm going to pour in the water. Come closer and let's watch. The water's not doing anything. Let's try the next liquid. Now, salt water. The salt water's not doing anything either. Let's try the next liquid. Now I'm using Sprite. The Sprite is making the egg look like it's got bubbles on it. That's because of the carbon dioxide on the egg. On in the soda. Now let's try the next liquid. Now we're going to use Coke. Whoa, I can hardly see the egg in there. It's almost like the egg disappeared, kind of. Next, I'm going to use corn syrup. Now I'm going to pour the vinegar in. The vinegar is slowly trying to get bubbles onto the egg. These are all the eggs in liquid. And my hypothesis is that in water, the egg will not dissolve because water isn't really anything. It doesn't have any acid or anything in it. And in salt water, the same, it won't dissolve because it has nothing in it. But Sprite, I think that the egg will dissolve because Sprite is a soda and that has acid in it, which I think will dissolve the egg. And in corn syrup, I think that the egg will not dissolve because corn syrup doesn't really look like it would dissolve an egg. And then vinegar, I think the egg will dissolve because the vinegar has acids in it, which means that acids can dissolve the egg. And in Coke, I think that the egg will dissolve because Coke has lots of acid. That's my hypothesis. Come back next Tuesday to see if if my hypothesis was true or not. Let's take one last look at all the eggs in the liquids. One week later. Wow, can you believe it's been a week already? I know for you it's only been seconds, but for me it's been a long time. And it was hard waiting to see what was happening to the eggs. I can't wait any longer, so let's get started. Whoa, the egg expanded, or that's a fancy way for getting bigger. There's white flakes on the cup, and I think that's the egg cell. And because the egg looks yellow, which means I think the egg dissolved. Now let's see how it feels. Okay. It feels kind of squishy. The egg feels like it dissolved because when you first put the egg in, it feels hard. But right now, it feels squishy. See? Squishy. Let's rinse it off. This is what it looks like when I put it in the vinegar. This is what it looks like a week later. Squishy. Week later, squishy and bouncy. And this, no bounce. Let's take a look at the waters. Salt water and fresh water. Let me rinse the salt water first. The egg is hard and white, like you just bought it for the store. And since the salt water, in the salt, it has no acids, that means it does nothing to the calcium. Let's try fresh water now. The egg feels the same like the salt water. Let's do the Sprite first. The egg kind of expanded like a little bit. The egg, when I took it out, it got this weird stuff on it. It feels hard, and it's still white. The only thing different that happened was that it got this weird yellow stuff on it. Do you see the yellow stuff on the egg? Let's rinse the Coke off. Whoa! It changed color to brown. That's cool. The Coke turned the egg cell light brown, but there's parts on, like spots on the egg, that's dark brown. And the egg is hard, like all the rest. The corn syrup is very sticky. The egg is hard and white, and it's not bouncy, not squishy, and it didn't expand. Now let's take a look at the eggs side by side. During this video, this egg, the vinegar, sprung. Look at all the eggs side by side. You can see the difference between them all. Let's crack them open now. Let's crack the corn syrup egg first. Whoa, let's see if it's easy to crack. Whoa! Let's crack this Sprite. Whoa! Whoa! Do this out. How am I going to crack this egg? It must not work by hitting it. Let's see if this would work. Whoa! I popped the egg! Whoa! Doesn't look anything like the other ones. Let's see the yolk. The yolk looks orange. Feels kind of hard. This is the egg cell with nothing in it. It feels rubbery and you can see through it. That explains that we must always take care of our teeth. I use eggs because the cell has lots of calcium and our teeth do too. I use all the different liquids to show the different ways we can damage and, well, there's nothing to our teeth. I hope you enjoyed this week's experiment as much as I did. And don't forget to always protect your teeth. Science rules. Bye!